Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about start and ready. Start before ready. Waiting feels safe. Starting creates progress. Many people wait to feel ready. Readiness rarely arrives. Action creates clarity. Movement builds confidence. Delay increases doubt. Practice reduces fear. Small starts create direction. Perfection blocks growth. If you are young, start early. Use what you have. Learn while moving. Growth follows action. One imperfect start today beats a perfect plan tomorrow. Do not wait. Begin now. Start before ready. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.